can. I feel okay going on. Going back in. I don't want to keep going. Go ahead and take me down to the roof real quick. I want to look at it.
Did you get the spray?
Yeah. Yes, they can remove. Yeah.
Yeah. Andy, tell us what we're doing.
So we are clearing, or attempting to clear the tracks to the summit through some pretty intense drifting, high winds. We're coming up out of Merchant Main right now. So we're going back right now to check on a drift that came through to see what the factor of re-drifting in behind us is. You don't want to head too far up. There's a possibility of cracked re-drifting behind us. If the snowblower really operates the upbound direction, so we don't want to have a situation where we're going to be struggling to turn to the base. Alright, so we're going to run like half speed for now, and then when we get to that big drift, I'll slow you down way off. It's remarkably beautiful, even on a day like this where you can't help but see. And I just have a lot of respect for these machines here, this snowblower, this locomotive. It's cold, it's windy. You got to cut through all this snow and getting it done. It's an amazing piece of equipment. Then our intrepid train master Andy out there on the deck. Out there in the cold the whole way up, manipulating all the controls of the snowblower itself. I've done that before. It's a pretty cold job sometimes. Definitely today. He's getting pummeled right now. The wind is out of the west, and then to
as we come around Lizzie's curve, we're on the west side of the train, so yeah, Andy's getting hammered right now.
We just attained the summit, blew it all out amidst some pretty fierce gusts into the high 80s, almost 90 miles an hour. And I have to ride on the point there, operating the snowblower and watching the route ahead. So I'll direct the engineer to change speed based on the conditions that we're finding and the depth of the drifts that we're having to push through. I may also change the snowblower angle or the pick. Sometimes the drifts are so deep that we have to pick the snowblower up to chew the top of the drift and then come back to hit the lower portion. There were a number of drifts today that we had to hit in multiple stages. So that's pretty typical for the fact that the winds have been very high over the last few days. So luckily, it's a lot of wind-swept stuff up here above skyline and not too drifted, so I'm not too worried about us going back. We may hit some drifts top of the launch from a slow Jacob's ladder. We'll have to slow down for that, but all in all, a success. But because of the temperatures, we don't want to hang around the summit too long. Look, it will get too cool, and then they won't like that. So we got there, but now we gotta go home.
All right, great job, Andy. Fantastic job.
Thank you. Let's go back to the base.
Yeah.